Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Mortuary Technicals. Yeah, as we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities you can grab from the market, and then you guys get to see more of my strategy. Yeah, and so far, I think this week has been pretty well. We had break evens, and then we had partials the other day. Hopefully, we're going to see something today before the week runs out. Yeah. Before we get started, for those that be watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. And this is a very special episode. This is the 100th episode. Yeah, like I said on the group chats, this episode 100 days of making live analysis sessions. Yeah. If you guys go back and look at the first episode and this episode, you see there's a very big difference. Yeah. A lot of us have improved. Yeah. And then we have people that have passed MFF and all. It's actually nice progress. It's a long way coming, and hopefully we'll continue like this. Yeah. And then we never stop. Yeah. So fundamental wise today, we had high impact news on GBP, yeah, but then we don't have anything again until 4 p.m. Consumer sentiments. So I think today should be a pretty calm day in the market, and then it's market closing day. So in the evening, that news might not just go anywhere like that. So let's just pay attention and see what we can grab. Yeah, let's jump on our charts and see what we can get. Now, starting with AED USD. Yeah, AED USD, AED USD. ADSD is pretty nice. So yesterday, this whole impulsive move, we had areas where looking out to see price react, but then we did not have that. We had that whole impulsive move, a retracement, and then we had a break of structure, a retest, and then we have a break of structure now. So two things to watch out for, yeah. This is our new range here. Can price react around the Fibonacci levels? I really doubt price will react around the Fibonacci levels, because most times when you have impulsive moves like this, price will not want to respect it's. I don't want to call it a manipulation, but then a lot of people want to buy from here to the upside. Do you understand? But then we might actually see that break of structure to the downside. Do you get? But at the same time, anything can happen in the market. So watch our Fibonacci levels. Yeah. Are we going to see price react from those levels? Yes, that's what we'll be looking out for first. Secondly, this low down here, this is actually what I even want to see price do. Do you understand? But then I'm not controlling the market, so I'll just have to wait and see whatever it does. Yeah. So if we can get the break of structure here, then we have a clean shift in market structure. We can look out for what a retest, and then we will shift to a bearish market. So that's basically what I'm aligning to more than actually wanting to catch these buys here. But if I see a buy here, if I see a buy signal around these levels, it's a very cheap buy, so I'll just take it. Yeah, I'll still update you guys. Now, NZD USD. Funny thing is, I'm actually on the sell on NZD USD, but then I not say anything about it because it's very low probability. Like, so if you check the RSI, yeah, price was basically creating what? A higher high, and then it went to create a higher high, but then it failed. And then if you check the RSI was not following it to create a higher high. So basically, we call that stuff RSI divergence, yeah. And then I dropped to my lower time frame. Was there any entry criteria? Yes, there was a rejection candle here. Do you understand? So I entered at that rejection candle, and then my stop loss above it. And then price came down a bit, went back up. So it's like I told you guys, it's very low probability. And why it's low probability is because the 1 hour candle didn't end as a bearish rejection candle. I was actually watching to see if it ended as a bearish rejection candle. I wanted to send the signal out. That was a very nice confirmation for a sell. But right now, it's just, we might sell, we might not sell. So it's just to wait. So now, how can we get our confirmation now? When we break these lows to the downside. Now, once we break these lows to the downside, now we'll be looking for a retest. So it will be something like this, a break, and then a retest of this structure here to continue. So that's basically what I'll be looking out for on NZD USD. Now, baby boy Euro USD. This one has been creating series of higher highs and higher lows, yeah? So we created a higher high yesterday with the impulsive move, and then we had a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and then now we've created a higher high. Yeah, let's drop our Fibonacci. See where our Fibonacci level is. Around this level is here. Do you understand? So like I said, same thing with AED USD. We can watch out to see if we're going to get a retest here for a continuation. But then, like I said, from experience, it's very hard to get this kind of things, yeah? So let's watch out for this low also. Let's watch out for this low. Let's see what will happen. will price be able to come back, retest here, and continue or come back down to break this low for us to have what is shift in market structure? So we can basically continue to the downside. Do you understand? Now, GBP USD, baby boy GBP USD. You guys know me and this pair have a very weird relationship. It's a very toxic relationship. Let's see, yeah. Because we have a breakup structure, we can look at both now. Honestly, I doubt that buy to the upside. But like I said, anything can happen in the market, yeah. But I'm more skewed to seeing that shift in market structure. Do you understand? As people say, there's a whole imbalance down here that I would love price to come and react from. Do you understand? So anyhow, let's see if we're going to get that shift in market structure. If I actually have it, then we can look for that retest. At the same time, we're skewed for a bullish market. We're still bullish. But let's just see what will happen. Now, GBP JPY, this is where I don't know if I'm angry or I am sad or whatever. I don't really know. But then, since Monday, we've been analyzing GBP JPY and it has been playing out. We had a break, retest, a retest yesterday. The news was a retest. And then we had another break, a retest again. And then we did not catch anyone. And every day we analyze this pair. Do you understand? I think that's what is even annoying me. Like, we analyze this pair every day, and then we're having the setups play out. Like, this was what we marked out yesterday: a break, a retest, and then for us to come down. Do you understand? And I think I told you guys that someone should watch GBP JPY because I don't really watch GBP JPY like that. I don't have it on my watch list on my MetaTrader, so I don't watch it like that. But anyhow, I think I'll add it. But right now, you can see that our consolidation, and it's showing as if this downtrend wants to end. Let's go back to the 4H and see. We might actually see an area of significance there. Yeah, it actually came down to these lows here. That's why I'm saying that it's actually what retesting, and then it's just consolidating there. I think those cells have been exhausted right now. So we might actually see a shift in market structure. But at the same time, we had a retest. We have an entry criteria here. Price just, God, honestly, this is annoying me. You see the entry criteria, and this pair has been giving entry criteria for every entry. See the entry criteria. Where will I take profits be? You can take profits here. That's even a 2RR or even down here. Do you understand? But the thing now is price has moved past our entry points. It is starting to go down now. So the entry no make sense again. Let's take a look at gold. This very wicked individual. Honestly, gold, this is the only thing I want to see on gold. A shift in market structure. Price to basically come back to break these lows. Yeah. For us to have a shift in market structure, basically that break, and then we'll have a retest. So that's what I'm looking out for on gold. That's all. So hope you guys understand all the analysis we have on these pairs. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Okay, in the absence of any pair, I really want to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much, especially those that have been here from day one. Okay, let me see. Is there anyone that? Okay, Tornero has been here from day one, but I think he just left. Yeah, I really want to appreciate you guys, those that have been here from day one, the kind of progress we've made, and then most importantly, the money that this session has made for people. Do you understand? So let's just keep pushing. Hopefully by next or before we reach episode 200, a lot of things will change for most of us. Do you understand? So stay safe, guys. Like I used to always tell you guys, keep an open mind to the market. The only thing that is sure is that anything can happen. Do you understand? So always straight from that perspective. If you see a setup, take it. If you don't see your setup, don't take it. Do you understand? So I really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much, and catch you guys same time next week on Tuesday. Bye, guys.